How to add funds in Google Ads. So you can do it in two ways. You can make a payment with a new credit card, or you can use a credit card that exists in your account. So in your Google Ads account, all you have to do is just click on the billing icon and then just click on summary. Okay, you'll see a bunch of different options here. You just want to click on add funds button. Then you just want to use the drop down to select add new credit or debit card. Then just enter your credit card information, your account number, your expiration date, and CVV code. Then just enter the amount you'd like to make a payment for, then click the Ads Fund button to review, and then just go ahead and confirm your payment, and so you can complete that, right? Or if you're using an existing card that exists already in your account, same process. Click on the billing icon, click summary, and then click on the add funds button, and then just select the existing payment method. Just enter the amount you'd like to make a payment for, and then just click the ads fund button to basically review, and then go ahead and finish your payment. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.